Welcome to the ultimate showdown in action cameras. The highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has just landed, and it's time to put it to the test against the incredibly popular Action 4. With the Action 4 already delivering exceptional video quality, I can't help but wonder, does the Action 5 Pro truly elevate the experience? Is there a noticeable improvement in image quality? What new features could tempt you to upgrade? And how does the audio stack up? Join me as we explore these questions and uncover which camera deserves a spot in your gear bag. The first noteworthy feature of the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its next-generation 1x1.3-inch sensor, which, while not identical, is similar in size to the sensor found in the Osmo Action 4. This advanced sensor enables the Action 5 to offer an expanded dynamic range of 13.5 stops, resulting in a more balanced overall brightness compared to the Action 4, which often suffers from blown-out highlights, even in standard shooting modes. The Action 5 introduces an HDR-like effect that enhances image quality in challenging lighting conditions, though it may occasionally produce results that some users find overly artificial. While HDR was a feature in earlier Osmo Action cameras, it was removed from the Action 4. However, it makes a return in the Action 5 with HLG HDR. This mode provides a broader color range and superior quality compared to standard HDR, making it suitable for high-contrast lighting scenarios. Although testing conditions may not always be ideal for HDR usage, the HLG HDR image quality shows promise, allowing for greater control over the HDR effect through post-production color grading. The Osmo Action 5 continues to support the D-Log M color profile, but with a new feature, color recovery. This option allows users to preview footage with added color in camera, providing a glimpse of how the final graded output might appear, while still requiring post-production adjustments for a flat output. One of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its improved low-light performance, which has been highly anticipated by users. As twilight sets in, the Action 5 demonstrates noticeably brighter image quality compared to the Action 4 when shooting in standard video mode. When utilizing the HLG HDR mode at night, the Action 5 showcases its capabilities even further, though some users may find the resulting footage somewhat oversharpened. In place of the low-light image enhancement mode from the Action 4, the Action 5 introduces a new Super Night Shoot mode, which automates various settings for low-light conditions. However, for those seeking greater control, shooting in normal video mode is recommended to achieve the best results. Another exciting addition for photographers is the option to capture images at up to 40 megapixels on the Osmo Action 5. While the Action 4 was limited to 9 or 10 megapixel photos, the Action 5 allows for a significant increase in image size, with a 40 megapixel option available in a 4:3 aspect ratio. The 16:9 aspect ratio still offers a substantial 36 megapixel image. Furthermore, the new chip in the Action 5 unlocks advanced features, including subject tracking. Remarkably, the front-facing screen displays the tracking in real time, making it easier to test and utilize this feature while filming. While the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't a gimbal, it does offer impressive subject tracking capabilities as long as the subject remains within the frame. If the subject moves out of view, the camera won't adjust its position, but it can maintain focus and track movements effectively when centered. Image cropping happens automatically within the camera, eliminating the need for post-processing, and users can choose between horizontal or vertical aspect ratios. However, the resolution is currently limited to 2.7K at 60 frames per second. One of the most significant enhancements is the new processor and battery, leading to remarkable improvements in battery life. In previous tests, users often found themselves limited to around 90 minutes of continuous recording. With the Osmo Action 5 Pro, tests reveal a staggering 4 hours of battery life without overheating issues, allowing for more extended shooting sessions without the constant worry of running out of power. The new battery is also backward compatible, meaning it can be used with older Osmo Action models, providing flexibility for those upgrading. Another game-changing feature is the ability to connect two microphones simultaneously using the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. This upgrade allows for more versatile audio recording options. With two microphones connected, users can monitor audio levels directly on the front-facing screen, ensuring both mics are functioning properly. Additionally, a built-in feedback mechanism indicates when recording has begun, enhancing user experience and reliability. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro introduces several physical enhancements, including dual brighter touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back. These displays make it much easier to frame shots and review footage in bright lighting conditions. In addition to the improved displays, the Osmo Action 5 Pro features always-on touchscreens, allowing users to access settings without having to tap or swipe to activate the front display. Another upgrade is in the waterproofing capabilities. The Action 5 can now withstand depths of up to 20 meters without a dive case, slightly surpassing the 18 meters of the Action 4. While this isn't a dramatic increase, it still positions the Action 5 as one of the top choices for underwater recording among action cameras. A standout feature unique to the Action 5 is the built-in pressure gauge, which can display both depth and altitude. This feature may not appeal to all users, particularly those who don't dive, but for aquatic enthusiasts, it could be a valuable addition. While built-in GPS remains absent, this functionality adds a layer of convenience for users who frequently shoot in aquatic environments. A standout feature of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its built-in internal recording capability. This functionality can be a game changer, as it allows the camera to automatically switch to internal storage when the memory card fills up, ensuring uninterrupted recording. Users can continue filming without the hassle of swapping memory cards mid-shoot, making this a significant enhancement that many have wished for across various camera types. To sum up, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro presents a strong offering with several noteworthy features, including built-in internal recording, extended battery life, and dual microphone support. These advancements could greatly enhance the filming experience and offer greater flexibility for creators. While the camera excels in many areas, there are still some aspects that could see improvement, such as the absence of built-in GPS, which requires purchasing an additional accessory. Additionally, users might find it challenging to attach certain accessories without dedicated mounting options. Overall, the Action 5 Pro impresses with its features and performance. Feedback from viewers is welcomed in the comments, as thoughts on the showcase features are always appreciated. Stay tuned for those exciting videos, and thank you for watching.